Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we are excited to share with you the latest addition to Motorola's lineup of smartphones, the Moto Edge 50 Plus. This is a game-changer in the world of photography, as it comes with a stunning 300MP camera and 300x optical zoom. The Moto Edge 50 Plus boasts a sleek and stylish design, with a 6.7-inch AMOLED display that provides crystal-clear visuals. It's also water-resistant, so you can take it with you on all your adventures without worrying about accidental spills or splashes. But the real star of the show is the camera. With a 300MP sensor and 300x optical zoom, you'll be able to capture every intricate detail in your photos and videos. Whether you are shooting landscapes, portraits, or close-ups, the Moto Edge 50 Plus has you covered. The 300x optical zoom allows you to get closer to your subject without losing quality, so you can capture beautiful, detailed shots from afar. And with the 300MP sensor, you'll be able to capture images with incredible clarity and resolution. In addition to the impressive camera capabilities, the Moto Edge 50 Plus also comes with a powerful processor and plenty of storage, so you can store all your photos and videos without running out of space. It also has a long-lasting battery, so you can keep shooting all day without worrying about running out of power. But it's not just about the camera. The Moto Edge 50 Plus also has a host of other features that make it a top-of-the-line smartphone. It comes with a fingerprint sensor for added security, as well as facial recognition for quick and easy unlocking. It also has 5G capabilities, so you can enjoy lightning-fast internet speeds and smooth streaming on the go. Overall, the Moto Edge 50 Plus is a truly impressive smartphone that will appeal to photographers and smartphone users alike. With its stunning 300MP camera and 300x optical zoom, you'll be able to capture breathtaking photos and videos like never before. So if you are in the market for a new smartphone, be sure to check out the Moto Edge 50 Plus. It's sure to be a hit when it becomes available in 2023. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest and greatest in the world of technology.